Hello, my name is Sean,
And my name is Ruben,
and we are Team Beta.
and our project is called Sneaker Wars. And our goal with the project and this website was to allow the users to interact with all other traders and users and browse through the latest and the most renowned shoe pairs on the market, and they get a chance to learn more about them. So this website will allow them to create a list of shoes that they own, the shoes they used to own, the shoes they want to own, and then they could add it to the favorite list, the desired list, and go from there. It allows them to look through other users' tastes as well and somehow share and distribute culture with other people just through the means of sneakers.
Right, and the target audience for our applications is going to be people who are interested in sneakers, whether they're already a seasoned collector or if they're just looking to start getting into the hobby. And then we can take a look at some of the features of our app. So this is going to be just the main login screen at our index. It's going to be the first page you see. Um, and it's going to have a couple things here. So up top, we're going to have a nav bar. We'll have kind of our little logo branding up here. Then there's going to be two places we can go to: home, which is what we're seeing right now, and then profile, which we'll get to later. There's also going to be a search bar here, which we can look for some sneakers, and then we have our login form here. So I'll start off just logging into my account. And then now that we're logged in, we can take a look at the profile. So this page is going to get information from our database, and it's going to display everything here. We have right now 3 different lists of the sneakers. So first is the favorites, then we have the sneakers that I own, and lastly we have sneakers that I want. Um, and then we can also click on any of these to bring us to that sneakers page, or we can search for them up here. For now, I'll just click on one of these ones. So here's what happens when you click on them. It's going to bring you a page that shows you a bunch of information in a picture, and you can, like right here, if I didn't already have it, I could add it to my favorites. So I can look up a new one that isn't there. I'll try this one. And so I'll add that one to the favorites. And if we go back, you can see it's now been added to that list. So that about does it for our features.
Lovely. And as you conclude this, the experience of building our own website and involving in something practical and industrial really helped us in understanding the concepts that were shared throughout this class. And as you went deeper and we learned more about the backend functionality and login authentication process that I used behind the websites and how to implement them ourselves, through trial and testing, it was truly like an enriching experience. And we faced a lot of challenges. We had to do a lot of debugging, even with some of our teammates. We had communication issues, but we were able to push through them. And it's just a part of natural work environment where problems could arise any now and then, and you have to be ready to cope with them. So it truly taught us a lot, and just taught us to like tolerate debug and move forward. Previously, we had worked with a lot of online databases. I personally worked with Firebase, AWS, and same with Sean. So this was our first time interacting with Heroku, which was kind of hard to understand. It probably slowed us down a little bit, but then to understand that and to get over the concepts once we were clear with them, it was a good ride. It was all about learning more. Overall, I believe that my team and I found this project both educationally and practically useful. And we're thankful for the experience.
For sure. And in the future, if we were to continue developing on this project, there are a lot of features that we'd like to, polish up that we already have there, and there's definitely some new ones as well that we would like to add. I think first we would do some more work on our login and register functionality. It kind of needs some more feedback, and then maybe once you log in, instead of just staying on that login page, we would direct you to a nicer interface for a home screen. We were thinking maybe it could have some news or trending things on the sneaker market that would display on there, and that could be definitely nice to look at. And then we were also initially, when we started our project, we had a feature for a messages system
Right.
to message with other users instead of having the only way to interact be just following them. So we would definitely want to add that as well if we were to do more work on it. Yeah, that is all from us. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll check out the site.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.